Welcome back to our mid-century modern fixer-upper project. Last time we got the keys, but we still haven't moved in. This weekend we're making plans and getting our stuff from Arizona, as well as some new things.
It's totally different than you. Love it, huh, baby? Sit down. Sit down. All right, what aisle?
59, 811.
Guys are up there, you just ask him and he'll have it for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, it looks like it has a battery already. I'll make sure you don't get home and then find out.
This is my pleasure. I'm getting ready to give it to you right now.
That's disgusting.
What are you, oh man, gross.
Yeah.
Mystery switches. I feel like it's gonna be like that a lot.
Maybe you can open that and do that charge.
Who did not bring a wall charger to the house? This person. I actually had the forethought to put some USB outlets in here. I thought I saw a light come on. Yes. Sweet. Okay, what are you thinking?
No, I was hoping that I could put a door here into our bedroom and take this door and put it down there for that bedroom. So then this would be closed off.
Okay.
Door here, and you'd walk directly into our room.
Okay.
We could have one closet here. You're gonna walk in, this is gonna be all open.
Right.
And so then I was thinking, you know what? This room's not a bad size.
No, it's not.
And if we just take this out, we put nothing but closet here. Put a wall up somehow.
Oh my God. Holly.
This will be the solid wall. I need to have the fixtures in here. So if you do that, and then we can only do one small little vanity, it'd be perfect. Right here. These rooms are so fucking tiny. That was the only thing I think is going to hinder us. We could connect this room and this room as our master. Then we can use that bathroom. Our guests can be in there. So I'm going to change all these out today. Another thing I asked the electrician about.
Yeah. Fire up your torches.
I have no idea what this is.
Maybe it's the parts of the AC.
So I would just take this gate out and just move that fence all the way back so it's flush, so then you can see them.
Yeah, I love that.
These out.
Yeah.
But I don't really want a grass lawn. I want nothing but plants.
Yeah.
And so what I was thinking, to take this out, this area is bigger than I thought.
Uh-huh.
Do our mid-century block. All the way out. Give us a pretty good area here.
Yeah.
And then I want it to go that way. So these will go out and then this will just be beautiful, cool, filled in.
Yeah.
So that'll come 3-foot wall. Hi. Good, how are you? That's nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Told you. Did you tell them not to hook it up?
Yep.
Because they said it was the wrong outlet or what?
Because there's no outlet. Yeah, good call. Oh my. Wow. Some things may have shifted a little bit during ship. Up. And the art has slipped underneath the strap. I don't think anything looks broken as far as I can tell. All that stuff is still up there, which is amazing.
So he didn't give me much to choose from, he just gave me one brand. It's American made, which I kind of like.
Yeah.
And it's really RUD. Yeah, heard of them, have you? For both replacements, I gotta show you this.
Okay.
$13,800.
Soup's good.
Yeah?
We have this much stuff unloaded and run into a problem. I don't know where the keys are for these two things. Hopefully they're somewhere in our Airbnb stuff, because we need tools and we can't move this until we unload it. So this is tomorrow's problem. Don't know why, but there's no power in the garage, so.
All right, fix my good bill.
Like our garage lighting?
Yeah.
Probably go ahead and open the door too, it'll help. Actually, I don't need this door open.
Oh, look at this nightcrawler, honey. Let's do honey.
Oh my gosh, big guy. Alright, current conundrum. Keys. Now, we found the ones for that box because I left them in the lock, which is what I typically do. Unfortunately, during transit, one of them snapped off in the lock, but we were still unable to lock it. The biggest problem now is where are the keys for that lock, which I think I would typically leave in there, but it's not. I mean, we need to open it to unload it is the real problem, because we can't move it full. Or it fell out and it's under something. Oh, yeah, it's probably gonna be an avalanche. Housewarming gift. Definitely don't use the blower unless you want hantavirus.
Oh,
Oh, looky there. There's a spare set of keys on the inside. Well, that solved one problem, at least temporarily. Well, honey,
what'd you say?
no, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the people.
Okay. Oh, these people.
Yeah, talking to the internet.
Oh, hello, people.
Tried to electrocute myself inside. Well, now we have a multimeter. After the fact. And it's raining again. What I was saying is that that's also one problem. The other problem is also in those keys are our e-bike keys and who knows what else. So I sure hope they turn up. Ready? Yep. Good question. I mean, I'm down with Harbor Freight, but I don't need the display in my garage.
Those just walk. There's nothing I can do to even control it.
All right, update. Closet 1. This stuff, some of the stuff we're probably gonna need sooner than later. There's some kitchen stuff in here. All the camp gear. It's back there. Oops, back there. Camping stuff. Won't be needing that for a while, sadly. Take my little light with me. Closet number 2. I think that is more kitchen stuff and clothes. You got the Bluetti down there. The art, the gym. So you know that we're close to the end when the art is up and the gym is set up, which, by the way, this is going to be the gym. This back closet area, we plan on busting out and putting some sort of compact squat rack thing that comes down. So that's going to be the gym way, way, way in the future. Okay. Toolboxes are set up and filled. The bikes are back in place. Took all the Harbor Freight stuff down. And all we have left out are tools. And, I should put the winch in there somewhere too. Won't be needing that for a while. Some stuff we might need in the house that we pulled. The Stoke Voltaics cooking thingy doodle. Probably use that to cook in. We'll be camping indoors. So I think that is it for the garage. Pod is empty, ready to be picked up tomorrow. Yeah, let's see what's going on in the house. Well, that wraps up the weekend. We still have a couple more days in the Airbnb, but next time we will be 100% moved in and living in our project house.